In this video, I'm going to explain why your internet might be slow and show you some easy fixes to speed it up. First, check your internet speed using a test site or app. Sometimes the issue is with your internet provider or plan. If your speed is lower than what you pay for, contact your ISP. Next, consider where your router is placed. If it's hidden behind furniture, in a corner, or near thick walls, the Wi-Fi signal can weaken. Move the router to a central, open spot for better coverage. Too many devices connected at once can also slow down your internet. Disconnect devices you're not using or limit heavy activities like streaming and gaming on multiple devices simultaneously. Check for background apps or software on your computer or phone that might be using bandwidth, such as updates or cloud backups. Pause or schedule these for off-peak times. Old or outdated router firmware can affect performance. Log into your router's admin page and update its firmware if needed. Interference from other electronics like microwaves or cordless phones can disrupt Wi-Fi signals. Keep your router away from these devices. If you use Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for devices that need steady speeds, like gaming consoles or PCs. Finally, restarting your modem and router regularly can clear temporary glitches and improve speeds. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. If you've tried all these and your internet is still slow, contact your ISP to check for outages or consider upgrading your plan. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Want me to prepare the next internet speed troubleshooting video?